This is Eric from PDP, here at the National Training Center to introduce you to Orange Power. Orange Power is a super strong, fast-working degreaser that can be used for engines, wheels, and anywhere you need to cut through heavy baked-on grease and dirt in a hurry. A high alkaline formula that is fortified with citrus terpene D-limonene. It has that extra bite that other degreasers don't have. This is a concentrated product, dilute to 5:1 for most jobs, spray the affected area, and rinse off. Another benefit to Orange Power is that it doesn't contain any caustic soda. This means you can get all the cleaning power without any white streaking or staining.